As you guys can see on the screen right here is that the challenge account is currently up $34.62 and it's only episode 4 that's about to start. I decided to lock in some more profits on Solana and Phantom because after I stopped recording the last episode, both Phantom and Solana kept on pumping towards the upside, so I decided to shave some more profits. Phantom looking very good, also Solana looking very good. I remain these two orders, the second and third entry for now, and I'm not moving my stop loss to break even yet on Solana. On Phantom, the stop loss for both positions is currently at break even, and that's a risk-free trade. So that means that we are only risking some more money on Solana, which means that I'm going to add a long position right here on the screen for FED. I'm going to risk $17.50 on this trade setup, and let me quickly take you guys through this trade idea. So what we can see on the higher time frame over here is a beautiful range for FED with pivot number 1 over here, pivot number 2, pivot number 3, and we even have a 4th and 5th pivot over here for that range low. After the first deviation, right, FED went for a second deviation of the range low, which means that the range low liquidity pool got mitigated twice in a row, and I think that the move towards the range high liquidity pool after we mitigated the range low liquidity pool is imminent, which is why I'm trying to get into a long position over here. If we move to the lower time frames, we can see that we currently are building up liquidity beneath this low over here. Why are we building up liquidity beneath that low? Because of that fake break of structure that we see over here. Because of this fake break of structure, people are induced to open up long positions over here or on the pullback with their stop loss beneath this low. And beneath that low is where we have an untapped breaker block over here on the 1 hourly time frame, exactly aligning beneath it, which means that this low over here turns into a beautiful inducement of the breaker block, right? Breaker block resistance once, twice, 3 times, broke through it, left behind an imbalance around the breaker, beautiful confluence to start looking for longs. Now also around this area where we are looking for longs is where we have that quarterly level of support, right? Second entry is based on a 15-minute time frame level over here that we see. 15-minute time frame price action level over here. Beautiful alignment with this bullish order block that was being generated over here as well. And then our third entry is at the sweep of the sell side liquidity low over here. Now beautiful confluences. Also, if we look at the EMAs on the 1 hourly time frame, just see how perfectly the 100 EMA, 200 EMA and 200 moving average align with our entry area. 2 hourly time frame, beautiful alignment of the EMAs, and also on the 4 hourly time frame, the alignment of the EMAs is absolutely stunning. So right now I'm hoping for a quick flush on FED to fill our orders before upside towards the range high liquidity pool. Let's see what happens from here. Let's see if Phantom Solana can push higher from here, and let's hope that FED will also fill our orders. Nevertheless, we are currently in very nice profits. I'm hoping to generate more profits during episode 4. We did indeed get that huge flush on FED and our order got filled, and after our order got filled, as you can see on the screen, we see a beautiful bounce to the upside. This is absolutely beautiful to see. Currently already in $13 unrealized profits. We can see that Phantom is also still running in $5 unrealized profits and $18 realized profits. Unfortunately, Solana got stopped out at break even after we did also shave some decent profit on Solana. Just see how clean we got filled over here with a beautiful bounce from that breaker and our first entry over here on FED. A beautiful execution of the trade idea, I must say. And right now we have moved our stop loss to break even on this position. We have removed the second order and also the third order. So once again, a risk-free position. Now I'm looking to take the first batch of profits over here at this high. Now you're probably wondering, but Guru, why not take profits at the high over here, which is where the range high is? Let me give you guys a little lesson. Never be greedy with taking profits. Always take profits at the second to highest high or the second to lowest low. All right, because people are greedy creatures, and that is why you shouldn't be greedy. Always take your profits at the second to highest high instead of the highest high. Don't be greedy, shave those profits and lock them in. Also a quick little update over here on Solana. Like I said, got stopped out at break even. It's completely fine. We shaved some decent profits over here on Solana. Right now stopped at break even. Currently we have Phantom running with decent size still, already $18 realized profits. We have a nice unrealized gain on FED, We made some decent gains on Solana. The account is in big profits. We are doing great. I cannot lie, we are doing great, and I'm really enjoying the challenge so far. I hope you guys are as well, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Guys, what an insane trade are we looking at right here on FED. A beautiful entry and an insane pump afterwards. Our first day profit target got hit over the weekend. Right now it's Monday. Besides this FED trade, our Phantom trade got stopped out in profit, but we made very nice profits on that one. FED is currently running in insane profits, and we are about to enter a brand new trade on Solana. Over here we can see that we have a brand new limit long order on Solana right here, and our stop loss will be over here. I'm patiently going to wait for this limit order to get filled. In the meantime, look at the realized profits on FED and the unrealized profits that we still have to take out over here when our second day profit target gets hit. Already $20 realized profits. The account is currently $61 profits, which is a 12% increasement. What we are looking at over here is the brand new Solana trade, and it's a trade from H Trades. It's one of the other VIP traders in our VIP channel in the Discord, and he just gave this trade signal. Now, why do I copy his trade idea? Obviously, I'm not simply going to copy his trade idea. I absolutely love this trade idea. Yesterday, in the weekly Outlook live stream, I discussed the exact similar plan for Solana. So we have very nice confluence from H Trades. I'm going to be a little bit lazy. Instead of creating my own setup because of my same plan, I'm simply going to copy his setup with $10 risk. As you guys can see on the screen right here is that FED hit the final take profit target. Obviously, this 1000% increasement is obviously with 25x leverage, and it's completely irrelevant. But what is relevant is that it was a beautiful trade setup, banking us some amazing profits. A small little account update to end this video. FED banked us about $35 in profit, and currently the account is in $562 worth. A $62 profit currently, which is equal to over 12% gain on the account already since we started. Right now we only have our Solana order ready to get hit. We can see that we have 0 positions running. So in the next episode you guys will find out whether or not Solana got hit. We will be adding a lot of new positions to the current Solana position. So I'm really excited for the next episode. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys soon. Ciao, ciao.